Welcome back. Today we will continue with our grammar class. Today we will solve some grammar lessons which are quite common in your ISC examination. So let us see what is there in the question. So as you can see, the question reads as follows. In each of the following items, sentence A is complete, but sentence B is not. Complete sentence B, making it as similar in meaning as possible to sentence A. In ISC, this question comes and it carries 10 marks, 1 mark per sentence. Anyway, starting off right away, Rahul was doubtful about his success in the examination. So you have to start with Rahul was unsure. Number 2. Sneha is too weak to fight for her rights. You have to start with Sneha is so. Number 3. This is a rare and valuable book. You have to start off with not only. Number 4. One should always keep one's word. You have to start off with one's word. Then the next sentence. Saba exclaimed that it was very amazing. Saba said, comma. Next sentence. Unless you seek shelter soon, unless you seek shelter soon, you will get wet in the rain. You have to start with the word if. Question number 7. Samuel is not as handsome as Michael. You have to start off with the word Michael. Then question number 8. If you do not practice hard, if you do not practice hard, you will be out of the team. You have to start off with practice hard. Question number 9. His diligence should be rewarded. You have to start off with shouldn't. And the last sentence, Renu fed her child. You have to start off with Renu didn't. Now solve it yourself and I will come back with the answers. Now the answers. Rahul was doubtful about his success in the examination. You have to start with Rahul was unsure. Unsure and doubtful, they are both, the meaning of the two words are more or less the same. So here preposition comes. Unsure of. Rahul was unsure of his success in the examination. Next sentence. Sneha is too weak to fight for her rights. You have to start off with Sneha is. So, Sneha is so weak that she cannot fight for her rights. This is a rare and valuable book. Not only, but also. So, what is the answer? Not only is this book rare, not only is this book rare, but also valuable. One should keep one's word. Keeping one's word means keeping one's promise. So, one's word should always be kept. Saba exclaimed that it was very amazing. You can see in the question, it is said Saba said, comma. The moment this comes, you should understand that it is a direct sentence. So, it's a dialogue. Saba said, comma, open inverted comma, how amazing it is, exclamation mark, close inverted comma. Then comes, unless you seek shelter soon, you will get wet in the rain. Unless you seek shelter soon, you will get wet in the rain. You have to start off with if. If you do not seek shelter soon, if you do not seek shelter soon, you will get wet in the rain. So, what is the answer? The answer is, if you do not seek shelter soon, you will get wet in the rain. Now, the next. Samuel is not as handsome as Michael. Who is then more handsome? Michael is. So, obviously, you have to write Michael is more handsome than Samuel. Michael is more handsome than Samuel. T-H-A-N. If you do not practice hard, comma, you will be out of the team. Practice hard, or else you will be out of the team. Practice hard, or you will be out of the team. His diligence should be rewarded. Start with shouldn't. Shouldn't means should not. So, it's a question. So, mark of interrogation, which is a question mark, should be placed at the end of the sentence, because you are asking a question. Shouldn't, that means should not. Shouldn't his diligence be rewarded? Question mark. Shouldn't his, that means should not his diligence be rewarded? You have to put a question mark because you are asking a question. Renu fed her child. Renu fed her child. Now the sentence starts with Renu didn't. Renu didn't leave her child unfed. Renu didn't leave her child unfed. So, I hope you have understood this grammar lesson which we practiced today. We will come back with some more practice in the forthcoming classes. Thank you.